Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
The TheRcSaylors, and we are on a mission to try and find something like the WLtoys 12428. Those budget ground vehicles that you guys love, and we love too. This one is called the WLtoys 18401. We'll have it linked in the description box below. It looks sharp. It comes in around $40 or maybe under 40 bucks. We got ours for like $37. And we're hoping, because it's WLtoys, that it could be right up there with that 12428, just in a buggy style. It does have pretty basic inside here. You know, you could take all this off with a lot of screws holding it in, but it's brushed. It is four-wheel drive though.
It's supposed to hit 25 kilometers per hour. So what would that be, like 12 miles or
24 kilometers an hour?
25 kilometers. So
off the top of my head,
12.
like 14 or something miles an hour, 15 maybe.
We're not good at conversions.
That's probably pretty close. It does have independent shocks, so that's kind of nice. It's a little nicer than the other two that we just featured on the channel, that stupid little Volkswagen thing we did, and then we did another one by Buggy. Those were not great. But this one looks a little bit nicer. Unfortunately, it does have the trim on the bottom, so that's a bit of a turnoff. It has a rechargeable battery, a nice little USB charger, and it comes with instructions and a screwdriver.
It does have some trim on the transmitter, steering and throttle. What's that? Is that a button or no? That's just design.
I'm guessing that's either non-functioning. Let's see if it'll even turn. It does turn. So it's either going to be non-functioning, or it's got steering trim here and on the bottom. So we'll test that out, and I'll let you guys know in this video. So let's just let's start driving and have a little fun. And I do notice it has the plastic coating on there.
We like to leave that on, and so when it gets really dirty, then you can just peel it off and it's like brand new again.
At least for this run, we'll just leave that on there.
Cool.
While I've got this close, I wanted to just tell you guys, these knobs, they turn, but they're dead. They do nothing. So the throttle trim and the steering trim do nothing on here. And then unfortunately, the steering is non-proportional. It is all or nothing. So big disappointment there, but the throttle feels like it has about 2 or 3 speeds in there, but it is fairly proportional. So let's drive it really quick and see how it does. We'll tell you if it's worth your hard-earned money or not. We're just happy that we're outside, not doing micro drone videos.
Woohoo! Are you driving this one first, Nathan?
Yeah, I'll go first on this one. Ready? Are we ready?
Yep.
Are we ready?
Ready.
All right, we're veering off to the left pretty hard, so let's go ahead and trim that up. It's worth it. It's worth trimming it up. Are we ready?
Yeah.
There's our slow speed. A little quicker than the other two little guys we've had on the channel. There's full throttle. There's full throttle. Full throttle, full throttle, full throttle. Little disappointed,
Definitely faster than the other two though, that we've recently had.
And priced better than the other two.
Yeah, $40.
Yeah. Okay, let's hit the asphalt.
But we have seen our WLtoys 12428 for sale for $40 for like Black Friday sales. That was rare.
That was our epic coupon sale that we did.
Yeah, that was crazy.
Okay, it handles the grass pretty well.
So this is where I think it's made for. It's made for asphalt.
Not too bad.
Go, 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 go! So fast, oh, I lost it.
So here's an interesting thing. When you're driving, it goes faster, but when you turn, it slows down significantly. I'm gonna let you drive it because it's not anything super fancy that I love. Okay. And I think you'll see what I'm talking about. It's quick, but then when you hit the when you steer it, it sucks some of the power away.
Do you think that's so you don't flip it?
No, I think that's because it's really weak, and when you actually give power to the steering servo in there, it takes power away from the motor.
No, I flipped it.
You didn't flip it. It can be flipped. Gonna ramp.
Ooh, that's ready.
So sad. Okay, well, I just want you guys to know, for those of you that have been faithful and watching all these little budget RCs that we're doing, we do have some big RC ground vehicles coming
your way.
Yes.
2018, baby.
Yeah, we just wanted to get some of these small guys out because we had a few of them that we were just waiting on good weather to test. And, you know, we're saving you guys money, hopefully. Hopefully you see these and you think, oh, well, I might want to buy that. And then you watch our video and you're like, okay, I can put my money towards... No, that was amazing. That was amazing.
Try that again.
You got this, you got this. Amazing.
That's some skillful driving.
I mean, think about it. 40.
Okay, so nuts.
Oh, that would be my foot. For about $40, this isn't like the worst thing you could buy, but I mean, you know, there's a lot better stuff out there for that $40. You are definitely hung up in that. There's no way you're getting out of there.
Let's pretend we broke free ramp out of it.
I will say this buggy does look really cool, don't you think?
I like the yellow, yeah.
Oh my gosh, the pattern is nice. It's got the little fin on there, the little spoiler.
It's going to the right somehow.
Well, maybe we hit a rock and it's not trimmed up anymore because the trim function is on the bottom of it. So, well, you know, just like the others we did. I'm surprised.
Seems like whenever the trim is on the bottom of some of these, it's not very good.
Right.
Not always, but a lot of the time.
I agree.
Just like the others, I think this would be good for a younger kid, maybe 6, 7 and younger. That's really close to my face. Like really oddly close. I think
I like being close to the camera.
I think this is just a cheap RC geared for kids. Definitely not for an adult hobbyist at all.
If you appreciate us featuring these things on the channel, hopefully saving you guys money at some point in the lifetime of our channel, then be sure to consider supporting us on Patreon. We'll have a link in the description box below. We have goals, milestones set on Patreon that we're getting closer and closer to.
Go check those out. Help
Yes.
support us, help us reach our goals.
And if nothing else, get some stickers out of it. To those of you that are supporting us, thank you so much. You are the reason we're able to have as many videos as what we do have. Guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.